Hello everyone, welcome to the world of online shopping. Vitri Design is a kind of an online store from where you can order the exclusive collection of diamonds to your place within a few minutes. Let me show how you can do. To purchase any product from this store, you must be a member of this site. If you already have an account, then do log in or click on register button to make yourself as a member of this store. Now, to purchase any of the product, inside the jewelry section, you can see the list of all the available category related to the jewelry. Inside the gemstone, you can see list of all the available category for diamonds. Click on any particular category to see the list of all the available products for that category. Let me select the engagement ring. Now here you can see all the products available for the engagement ring category. Inside the list you can filter the products with your price range, with its clarity, metal type, etc. Now if you want to buy particular product from here only, then click on the add to cart button. You will be redirected to the shopping cart page. If you want to check the detail, then click on the detail button. Here you can see the detail of the product. If you want to see the product with its large view, then click on the image. You can see the larger view. Click on the next button to see the next image. You can see the detailed information about the product. You can see the product review, product specification, product tag, etc. If you want to write your own review, then click on the write review button. You can select the size of the product, size of the ring, also enter the quantity. If you don't want to buy the product now, then click on the add to wish list button that will be inside your account. If you want to buy the product, then change the size or click on the add to cart button. Now you are at the shopping cart page. Here you can see all the items available inside your shopping cart. If you want to remove any product from your cart, then check the checkbox and click on update shopping cart. If you want to add more product, then click on the continue shopping button. If you have a gift or a coupon card, then enter the code and click on apply coupon button. If you want to estimate the shipping charge, then select the country, state and click on get a quote button. If you want to change the quantity, then change here and click on the checkout button. Now here you can select the shipping address. By default this address is at your registration time address. If you are okay with this, then click on ship to address or enter a new address and click on the next button. Now it's time to select your billing address. Same for the billing address. This is your registration time address. If you are okay with this, then click on the billing to this address or enter the new address. Now here you can see the list of all the shipping methods available for this product. Here you can see the charge. It's 0 because this product is free for shipping. If any product which have a charge, then you can see the charge related to that product. Click on next button. Now you will be redirecting to the payment selection page. Select the payment method. According to the selection, you will be redirecting to the next page. Like if you will select the credit card, then on the next page you will be prompted to enter your credit card information. For now I am selecting cash on delivery. Here is just your payment confirmation page. By clicking on next, you will be redirected to the confirmation order page. If you are okay with all the below details and charges, then click on the confirm button. After successful completion of your order, you will be redirecting to the order success page. Here you can see your order number. If you want to purchase more product, then click on continue button. Otherwise, click here for order details. Here you can see all the details for your recent order. If you want to print, then click on the print button. If you want to reorder the product, then click on the reorder button. Now to change any of your personal information and check the order status, click on my account button. Inside the customer information tab, you can change any of your personal information. Change any of your personal information and click on the save button. Now to change any of your billing or shipping address, click on customer address tab. If you want to edit the address, then click here. If you want to delete particular address, click here. And if you want to add new address, then either click here or here. Now to see list of all the orders which you have placed till now, click on the customer order tab. Here you can see your recent order. Its status is pending. From here you can check your order status. To check the detail for particular product, click here on the detail button. Now to see all the reviews and ratings given by you, click on the review and rating tab. You can see list of all the products for which you have either given the review or a rating. To change the password, click on change password tab. Enter your old password and new password, click on the change password tab. So these are the main basic feature of the V3 Design store. I hope you liked it and you will try by own. You will really have a good fun. Thank you.